Hill Valley from the Back to the Future films. In fact, if you look at the top of the courthouse, you'll recognize the famous clock tower where Christopher Lloyd as Doc Brown harnessed that Famo that we just turned off of was the same one that Marty drove his DeLorean down to get to 88 miles per hour in order to get Back to the Future. We had to depict all kinds of different time periods for the Back to the Future flicks that you're seeing out here on the backlot because we'll need even more control over lighting, sound, and weather. So it becomes necessary then to build an entire portion of a city based all around the world. It was London for the Columbia release Bram Stoker's Dracula, with Gary Oldman and a father looking for a popular action figure for his son on Christmas Eve. You won't want to miss it. This has also become Chicago in two movies, The Blues Brothers, and right before that, The Sting with Robert Redford and Paul Newman. They what? They closed it. You can back up though, can't you? Oh, yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah. I gotta tell them something now. Just know about the water. Oh, the microphone's still on. Did you guys hear that? That comment I made about plummeting? Just ignored it. Nothing fundamental. The third and fourth cars trying having floods. Uh-oh. What's a rumbling on the driver's side of the tram? I don't believe this, it can't be, but it is. Oh man, it's heading straight for us, Australia. This is a flash flood. Squirrel over there. And how many Janet Jackson fans do we have in the tram today by a show of hands? This is where she shot her music video Escapade right here in Old Mexico. And hey kids, do you like me? Do you like them westerns? Well, get your cameras ready because we're crossing the Rio Grande from Old Mexico into Six Points. The reason this is called Six Points, Texas is because there are 6 different western streets here. Each street is its own town, too. Each street has its own bank, its own saloon, and its own sheriff's station. And whenever we wanted to chase the crooks into another town, what we'd have to do, look off to the driver's side, you'll see the Black Lagoon from the film Creature from the Black Lagoon. And on my side's another mine. I thought we'd seen the last of them. Oh, hello. Okay, folks, let's calm down, okay? This is a little California tremor. It's nothing to worry about. We get them all the time. Okay, folks, I'd like to remind you, please ready to calm again and remain seated. Not leave your seats for any reason. Be in there. Is over. We can get her out of here. Oh no! The water main broke on my side of the tram. Told him 1,000 times if you hear that bump, 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 bump. It usually means there's a shark in the water, but he never listens to me. Well, you know, we've been trying to catch that shark for months. If you take a look out in the middle of the lake, we've got a yellow buoy out there with some bait attached to it. Let's see if the shark takes it. All right, cool. He's got the bait. He's got the dock as well. Hang on. The my side of the tram. Shark! And decide what you'd like to do for the rest of the day. I'd like to suggest Back to the Future the Ride, a supersonic experience that will propel you beyond the boundaries of imagination and straight into the ultimate time travel adventure. little word about Back to the Future for you parents. You need to be at least 46 inches or 40 inches tall to ride the Back to the Future. Come on, mouth. So you may want to check your kids' heights before you do that.